Alright, hey guys, what's up? GamerX123 here, back with another video. And we are playing The Wolf. So this is co-op hunting where I'm working with all the other wolves, my friends, to hunt animals down. Put my towel over here. And then put this right here. Let's go. Where should we go? There's friends. Who don't seem to be online. Oh, he has a lot of health. I'm out of here. I'm gonna see if I can find any animals up on that big rock. Probably can. I'm looking for like bigger animals like Alaskan mooses and stuff. I just realized there's a mini map that I can look for animals on. Let's see about up here. Oh, Alpha's calling. Okay. Looks like he has some work cut out for him. Alright. Fires. Alright. Down. Bobcats. Not that big a deal. Alright. Tigers. Just ignoring me. I died. Oh, the cave's right here. I'm gonna wait right here. Okay, my healing ability is back. Which is what I was waiting on. And this time, I'm gonna beat him. Okay, took care of him. New skill available. Venomous poison. I will definitely take that. So I have venomous poison now. We did have Fire Nova, and then I had Icy Spikes. So let's go, because it tells me there are more big animals back here. Okay, let's go. I can probably do this on my own. Or not. Yeah, that didn't work. All my friends left. bobcat I can take care of easily. Wait for my health to regain. Okay. And now I go. I'm gonna attack this one. What, a tiger champion? What? Okay, so something tells me I probably shouldn't go after him yet. So he killed me almost instantly, which is worrying because I have over 1,000 health. I'm gonna try and pull away one of the tigers instead of both of them. Back up. Alright, in case of emergency, activate all my skills. Still didn't work, but that poisons it. Well, that was... Sorry the video was short, but I didn't really have time to record. But anyways, peace out. Bye.